The Cuyahoga River is a river in the United States, located in northeast Ohio, that runs through the city of Cleveland and feeds into Lake Erie. As Cleveland emerged as a major center for manufacturing, the river became heavily affected by industrial pollution, so much so that it caught fire at least 14 times, most famously on June 22, 1969, helping to spur the American environmental movement. Since then, the river has been extensively cleaned up through the efforts of Cleveland's city government and the Ohio Environmental Protection Agency. In 2019, the American Rivers Conservation Association named the Cuyahoga River of the Year in honor of 50 years of environmental resurgence. The name Cuyahoga is believed to mean crooked river from the Mohawk name Cuyahoga, although the Mohawk were never in the region alongside settlers, so this is highly unlikely. Children in the area are usually taught that it comes from a Seneca word for jawbone. This, however, is also likely incorrect. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.